Angel's Landing. Since 2004, 7 people have died falling from the cliffs on this route. The 1.1 mile round-trip route from Scout Lookout to Angel's Landing is a strenuous climb on a narrow ridge over 1,400 feet above the canyon floor. This route is not recommended during high winds, storms, or if snow or ice is present.
So basically this goes out to our friends, relatives, and neighbors. If you don't ever hear from us again, we went all the way up to Angel's Landing.
Well, I didn't, that's for sure.
Christoph, come.
Well, we're going to attempt to do this trail. It's a pretty strenuous trail, so we're going to start up and see how far we make it. This is the 3rd time that I've been to Zion. We've hiked a lot of the other trails, but we always wanted to try this one. So we're just going to take it easy. It's absolutely gorgeous trail.
Ready?
Guess Jean is anxious and ready to get going, so I guess we'll have to close this out and come back to the next section. Canada, you said? Montreal.
Canadian of Montreal.
Yes, yes. Here we are almost up to the saddle, which I will show you when we're down a little bit farther what the saddle was. And you see the trail down there.
Wow, it's pretty.
And a good idea of the trail.
There you go. There's these carts that they take stuff up and down the mountain with. Boy, I could barely keep up with her now. Oh, I think I need one of those carts to haul me up this mountain. Going down, yeah, everybody seems to have a smile on their face, but not going up.
I know this is it.
Well, here we are at the top. We finally made it. See that person standing all the way at the top? That's not me. Well, there's a picture of me being hauled down the mountain now in the cart.
Look like a mule skinner running that thing.
Well, time to start heading down now. As you can see, the trail is pretty wide. And as you see, it's going around this corner. That's a pretty good drop off there. But, you know, you feel safe because they got the edges built up and everything. So, not bad at all.
Not that for a 67-year-old woman, huh?
Oops.
What's his age? What? Yeah, he's 67.
Yeah, you could really tell she was impressed with that. Yeah, it's a whole lot more fun walking down than up.
So we are now on the trail where I just filmed down from. That little slot right there is called the saddle. And the cutout part in the mountain, you can't see it. It's just right around the corner. And we're pretty sure the top of that is Angel's Landing. There's a shot of the canyon with the sun shining on it and the blue sky. Absolutely gorgeous. And that's the Virgin River down below us. And well, here we are back at our campsite, and the sun, it's a little bit after 6 now, and the sun will be going down over the mountain soon, and it's just shining on these hills brilliantly.
Well, that was a great hike up Angel's Landing. It can be a little tough, so you need to take your time. It took us a little bit longer, but we just hiked up and really took our time there. Make sure you take plenty of water, and there are restrooms at the top of the mountain. No place to get water, though. Well, come join us next for an interview with Mark and Steve, who grew up at Zion Mountain, and that was their playground. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button below so you don't miss any episodes.